Today we're talking about a product, Muro Naturale, a lime-based product with 169 colours, a totally smooth product, very pleasant to touch and which contains mica, a mineral providing the reflections of nature.
Al tatto e contiene mica, un minerale che dà i riflessi.
As always, our work begins with the application of primus.
Tutta la lavorazione comincia con l'applicazione del primus.
Composing the colour is very easy. We take the chosen colour and create it with our additives.
Creiamo con i nostri additivi.
Now primus is dry, we let the product rest a little bit, and now we can proceed with the application. After spreading it for a few meters, we can use the spatula in the opposite direction to remove any imperfections. We've applied the product on the whole wall, but it's very wet. When it becomes opaque, it will be time to smooth it, and then we'll show you.
Sarà il momento per andare a lisciarlo, poi vi facciamo vedere.
After 1.5 or 2, we begin to see that there are some areas where it lightens up, and this is the time to make it more compact and make the wall smooth, uneven, slightly stained, in short, a natural wall.
E otteniamo questo muro liscio, non uniforme, leggermente macchiato, insomma un muro naturale.
This waterware spraying is used to soften the product and allow to smooth it uniformly. The little dots we see are the mica dots, which can be spread while compacting, so it should be smoothed where the marks are left.
Noi andiamo a compattare, potremo trascinare qualche pezzetto di mica, occupiamoci di lisciarlo lì dove ha lasciato un segno.
The wall begins to dry. We see the lighter parts, they are still wet. It's time to take our glove now and polish.
Queste parti sono ancora bagnate, magari lasceremo per ultime. È il momento di prendere il nostro guanto e lucidare. Questo prodotto si lucida con il nostro guanto. Vediamo, Andrea.
Very easy. The wall is actually finished. We can leave it this way if we want it to become opaque. If we want it to be shiny, we can do other things, but above all we can draw lines. Now Andrea will show us how easy it is.
Adesso Andrea ci fa vedere quanto è facile.
We've finished the lines, but what I want you to see is the mica powder that begins to stand out now, giving the sensation of a natural wall. Now it's really drying. This will be the final colour, whereas this is an intermediate colour, almost dry. If we want it smooth and more shiny, we can use our spatula and smooth it even further.
Più liscio e più lucido, possiamo passare con la spatola e lisciare ulteriormente.
Now, a little tip for connoisseurs. This is the moment when your spatula makes the right sound. Let me hear how it sounds.
È musica, questa è la musica della spatola quando il prodotto è veramente liscio.
It's music. This is the spatula's music when the product is really smooth. 2 hours later, it's homogeneous and completely dry. The surface is very smooth, pleasant to the touch. A Muro Naturale, with these glares and flash of lights.
Dentro questi bagliori, questi cenni di luce.